How to create an Uber Eats account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create an Uber Eats account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and here simply search for Uber Eats. And now here, once you have searched for it on the result page, just click on the first link. And once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the official website of Uber Eats. Now here, once you see the interface like this, just click on the sign up button which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the sign up page. Now here, once you are in the sign up page, you need to enter your email address. So here, just enter your email address and here, once you're done entering your email address, just click on continue. And after that, on the next page, you need to verify your email address. So here, just enter the code that has been sent to your email account. And now here, once you have entered the code, you'll be prompted to the next page. Now there, you just have to create your first name and last name, and with that, you need to create your passport as well. And here, once you're done with everything, you just need to click on create account, and that's it. That's how you can create an Uber Eats account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.